Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate the original kind of Roblox avatar on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to remove everything here. For the hair, I just use this hair in this color 9C3623. And then for the outfit, I'm just going to use this currency item here. And then in the second toggle with no sleeves, select this color. And then for the second one, select the white one. And then you are just going to select this jacket, remove fur, and you're going to select this blue jacket pattern. And then the last toggle should be just black. For the jeans, we're going to get these jeans, and you're going to color it 47080A. Then for the shoes, we're just going to use these boots in all black. Lastly, for the face, we're going to use these headphones in white, and then in black, and then in white. Scale it down, and then position it so you can see the eyes out here, like that. Then get the face mask, and then sleeping mask, and color it all black. Scale it down and rotate it that way, I think. Hold on, let me just, okay, it's the other way to the left. Then you're going to position it downwards, and you're going to place it inwards a little bit and outwards. I think I might color the second color white like this. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!